Hey guys, want to take you on a quick walk around on my 1965 AMC Rambler 770 Classic. This is my personal build. Want to share some of the things that make it unique and special. Some of you guys have probably never heard of a Rambler. I know for the guys that have heard of a Rambler or seen one before, definitely never seen one as unique as this one. So one of a kind. My personal build, wanted to go for that Restomod look, but still keep the true American muscle car essence to it with some tasteful modifications. See, one of the biggest modifications on this is the suspension and the wheels on it. It's lower just a tad bit and features some 20-inch American Racing Torq Thrust wheels. So it is an original California car, purchased up from Jack Tighe dealership in Porterville, California, about 4 or 5 hours north of California. Los Angeles. And started off as an original two-tone car, aqua blue body with the white top. And being out in the California sun, it's got a nice little suntan to it. So the car is exceptionally straight, no rust. As you can see, all the trim, the molding is right where it needs to be. This body's really unique. Similar to something like a 1965 Chevelle, but the lines on this thing just set this car off. It is a full restoration from top to bottom. The most important thing was keeping the exterior in original shape. And that's what kept me from painting it. But I'll take you on the inside, show you some of the awesome features in here, because it is a bucket seat car, floor shifter, automatic. Dash was left intact, but does have that Restomod look with the 14-inch billet style steering wheel. Everything is super clean on the inside. One of the biggest modifications is the sound system, but it is hidden so you can't see it, but you sure can hear it. I'll give you guys another look of that killer stance. Just really takes the car to another level. So I'm gonna pop open the hood, see how well I can do with the camera in my hand. Not too bad. But there it is. V8 327 AMC. I know sometimes you hear 327 and want to think Chevy small block, but this is an AMC 327. Upgrades under the hood. Aluminum radiator. Did electronic fuel pump on it. Alternator upgrade. Try to keep it really clean. Brake master cylinder was upgraded. We do have disc brakes up front. Take you guys underneath the car. You can see how well that looks under there. It is a unibody car. If it had a frame, I'd consider it a frame off restoration. Again, a true one of a kind. I'll do a quick start for you guys so you can hear it run. Then I'll let you go. Dual exhaust on it, sounds great. Glass pack makes it sound even that much better. Can't beat that sound. So there it is, my 1965 Rambler Restomod build. If you guys have any questions, give me a shout. I'd like to hear from you guys then.